Hello student, I hope you all are fit and fine. Student, today I am going to discuss nucleus. Student, nucleus is a cell component. Okay? Or you can say it is a cellular component of cell. Nucleus is centrally located. How it is centrally located? See, this is a cell and the nucleus is present in the center of the cell. Okay, this is cell and this is the nucleus. Size of the nucleus is large. It is the largest structure of cell. Nucleus is the largest structure of cell. Okay student, nucleus is the largest structure of cell. Now see the components of the nucleus. There are two components of nucleus. Component of nucleus. Okay, there are two components. One is nuclear envelope and another is nucleoplasm. Okay beta, nuclear envelope, what is it? See, this is the structure of the nucleus. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, there are two membrane. One is inner membrane and one is outer membrane. Let me show you. If I draw this diagram in a bit enlarged form, see, it will have two membrane. This is known as the inner membrane and this one is known as the outer membrane. When these two membranes are present together, then they are known as nuclear envelope. Okay. What is the function of the nuclear envelope beta? Nuclear envelope separates nucleus and cytoplasm of the cell, because nucleus is present inside the cytoplasm. Yes student, this is the cell, this is the nucleus and this is the cytoplasm. So nuclear membrane will be present in the nucleus. Okay, so what is the function of the nuclear envelope? Nuclear envelope will separate the nucleus and the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm having various type of cell organelles and this is the nucleus. Fine student. Now see another thing. Here you can see pores present on the nuclear membrane. Okay, this is the one pore, here is one, and here is one. These gaps between the two nuclear membrane is known as nuclear pore. Okay, now what is the function of the nuclear pore? See student, nuclear pore help to transport the material from cytoplasm to the nucleus. Okay, or cytoplasm to the nucleoplasm. ठीक है? Now, see, what is nucleoplasm? Nucleoplasm is a fluid-filled cavity that is present inside the nucleus. This is nucleoplasm. Okay, student, as you can see in the diagram, this cavity is filled by fluid or some substance, and that is what we call as the nucleoplasm. Okay, nucleoplasm is also covered by nuclear envelope. Fine. Now, see student, important part of nucleoplasm. Now see, nucleoplasm mean this. Nucleoplasm is further divided into two component or two part. One is nucleolus, this one, nucleolus, and another is chromatin material. Okay, student? See, in the diagram, this cavity is known as the nucleoplasm, and inside the nucleoplasm, two part or two component is present. One is the nucleolus and another is the chromatin material. This is what we call chromatin material. We will see one by one. Student, nucleolus may be one or more in number, more than one in number. Okay. Nucleolus forms ribosomes. They help in the formation of nucleolus help in the formation of ribosomes. Okay, student. Ribosomes are known as superhero. Why they are known as the superhero? Because without ribosome, protein synthesis will not take place. ठीक है बेटा? Ribosome is necessary for protein synthesis. So they are known as the superhero. As we know that without protein, our cell metabolic activity will not be performed. Where are the ribosome present? You can see here. These dot-like structure are nothing but the ribosomes. These ribosomes are present on the outer membrane of nuclear envelope. Okay, beta? This is the outer membrane, this is the inner membrane, and the ribosomes are present on the outer membrane of the nuclear envelope. Okay? So, student, quickly have a recap. Nucleolus will one or more in number. It will help in the formation of ribosome that is required for the protein synthesis. Now, come to this very important part of nucleoplasm. Okay. Chromatin material. Okay, student. Generally, chromatin material are present in an entangled thread-like structure. Entangled chromatin material are what? Entangled thread-like structure. Entangled means they are interwoven. They are present in a form of a knit. Okay, chromatin material are what? Chromatin material are just like a thread. If we collect the thread and drop it on the floor, what we get? We get a ball of thread, isn't it? And that is what we call the chromatin material. It looks like a chromatin material. Okay. See student, during cell division, normally when the cell is not dividing, see, when the cell is not dividing, the chromatin material inside the nucleus is present in this form. This is non-dividing cell, yani cell is not dividing. Then the chromatin material, this chromatin material is present in a form of an entangled thread-like structure. Chromatin material is present in form of thread like a structure जो कि entangled. Okay, but as soon as the cell divides, as soon as the cell prepare for the cell division, this chromatin material, that is thread like structure, get organized into a new structure that is known as the chromosomes. Okay student, now we are going to see about chromosome.